Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to create a website within 10 minutes with AI. Help of AI, it will help you to generate your website in 10 minutes. What did I say? 10 minutes. Don't forget, my name is Steve Peterlis from Brain Sharpener. So we are going to make it happen now. So we start with, let's first of all and create our folder. So we're going to delete this and then we are going to create more folder for this our then me. So we call it then me like this. Let's just leave it like this. So we save it, we go to text editor. My time is ticking on so that you know what I'm saying. So you go to text editor, you say open new folder, and we'll look for this folder we just created in desktop, and it is then me. So we select the folder. So now we have our folder here. So now again, yes, I trust this. Now again, I'm going to here to create I've saved my image in images. So I'm going to come here and put the images in this 10-minute folder to wait for my code to be completed. So when I finish like this, I go to this place and click see my code. So my code is now ready. So what else do? I will just copy all of them here. I will copy them like this, and they come to this text editor here, and open it. Then I will create new file. Okay, I will create new file which I will call complete. I'll call it complete dot html. Okay, then I will save it inside the same text folder we call 10 minutes. So my time is going on. So but just relax, you will see wonders now. Okay, so after saving that as complete, I will now paste the code I just copied and here, and again the next something I'm going to create now should be what I'm going to create another file for index, okay, dot html. Okay, I will save it inside the same folder that I have other things here. I will save it like this. So I will now go, if I want to collect my code, I'll collect it from here. Okay, but it's like it is confusing. Okay, I'll collect it from here. So I'll first of all find my first code, which is index.html. Then I will copy it from here. Okay, I'll copy it from here, going to this place. I'll copy it like this and come to my this thing here. So I would rather cut it itself, let that one go, then come to my this thing index and paste it and save this one. Then the next one I'm going to create is about.html. I'm going to create about.html. Then I'll save it inside the same folder again. Then I'll look for this my AI generated code again and copy it from here. This is about.html. Copy it like this, copy it like this and end it somewhere here. Okay, then I will end it, cut it like this, and come to the about.html and paste it. Okay, I will paste it like this. Then I will go to create another file, and again this time I will say services pieces.html. Okay, then I will save it inside the same folder, and I will say create. Then I will create the file. Then I will still go to this place where AI have already generated the code for me. Then I will copy it like this from here, copy it from here, copy it from here, copy it from here, and end it somewhere here. Okay, I'll cut it again, and come to service.html and save it. Okay, then I will create another file again that I will call. This file now will be contact.html. Okay, I'll create contact.html and save it in the same folder where other things are. I am now running late, but I will meet up. So I will now go back to this my code again, and copy it, copy it, copy it, copy it, copy it, copy it, copy it. Okay, and end it here. So I'm going to copy this, cut this one again, and paste it where I will paste it in this contact.html. Okay, so the next thing now I'm going to check is where my CSS is. Okay, I'm going to check where my CSS is. So where is the CSS? So it's inside css.style. So I'm going to create CSS folder inside the folder we have here. So I'm going to call it, create another folder inside this place and call it CSS. Okay, so I'm going to create another folder and call it, this thing is wasting my time, and call it CSS. That is another folder I've created. So I go to my text editor and open the CSS and create another file inside that CSS. So now I'm going to call it style.css. CSS. I enter, and it asks me where to create the thing. I'll create it inside this CSS, and I will say create. So inside this CSS now, I'm going to copy the CSS from here. From here, I'm going to copy it from here to down. Then I'll cut it. Then I'll go to this style and paste my CSS. So in all these pages I just created, I'm going to copy the link. Okay, I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to place the link. I'm going to place the link to the header of each page. So we begin with we begin with about. So we look for the link. Okay, we already have the link here, so there is no need of I can only just edit it so that it will match the CSS I have. So we save it. So the same thing goes to this place. We open this one. My time is going. My time have 1 minute left. So I said CSS. I save it. CSS. Then we come to this index page. I say again CSS here, because the folder they gave me is different from the folder I have here. So we save it. Then we come again, we say CSS again. So we save it as CSS. So we save it. So everything is now done. We are going to view now. Before you see my time here, my time is not up to 10 minutes. So we are going to view what we just created. Then we will come to this index and right click and say open with what? Open with Chrome. Let's see what we built. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your website in 10 minutes. So see it, look at it here. You can navigate anywhere you want. You see it like this. You can navigate anywhere you want. You can navigate anywhere you want. So this is your website. This is your website. And now have a template in case if you want to take this template. See it here, brain sharpener solution. About, we are in about, we are in services, we are in contact, so on and so forth. So you can return home and see your website here. Cow, designed by brain sharpener. All right, reserve 2000 and solution. All right, reserve. See it now. Is this not under 10 minutes that I built this? Say the truth. Is this not under 10 minutes that I built a standard website with AI? But if they okay, look at it now. Look at what I'm trying to say. It is great that it is good that you learn code, because look at how they generated the code here. Look at it here. Look at how the AI generated the code. Okay, it's like the code is no longer here. Let me search for the code again. Look at how they generated the code. Okay, look at it here. Look at the code here. Okay, see the code here. Look at how they generated the code. So they generated this code in one prompt. Okay, or in one prompt they generated this code for me. So it requires my skill to know where page 1 start, page 2 start, page 3 start. That's where the index start and stop, where the home start and stop, where the contact start and stop, where services start and stop, where the what is it called, about start and stop. So it requires my skill, okay, to know all those things, and that is why I said it is better to learn AI. It is good to learn AI, but it's also better to learn coding and programming before you start using AI. If you like this video and if you want to know more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this information so that people will know. Only thing that I need remain here now is just to buy a domain name and buy your hosting package, and you can host your website. Is there anything you want again? You can just host your website. So if you want, it depends on what you want. That is how you are going to generate your own this thing, your own code. You will tell AI what to generate. AI will give you everything, and you started fixing them where they should be. So that is how it is done. Thank you for watching. Share this video so that other people will know what we are doing. Thank you.